Guys mo yun.
How do I get you alone?
Tsaka na ako mag-driving, guys. So,
Tsaka na ako-
maging passenger friends.
Tsaka na mag-drive kapag wala na si Althea.
Pag
Tsaka
natuto ka na mag-drive, aasahan ka na ng pamilya mo,
Yun nga
tatamarin
eh.
na yun eh. Pero pag umalis kami, ako din eh. Kaya ngayon, usit, gusto ko na lang matulog eh. Sorry po.
Sorry, but like,
it's a pass.
Hindi lang.
Turn left on Thornton Drive. Need sticker required.
May sticker ka, boy. Ano?
ako sticker.
Yan.
Uy, bagay kay Limbo yung kanta.
Jungkook, akin ka na lang! Ganda mo! Yun!
Nakatali pa rin.
Pwede change light. Pwede change light.
More color, please.
Yun!
Propose akong gantos para sa akin.
Shy girl.
Ano pa?
Yung pala hanggang ano. Hanggang Pasig na. Me, please show me. Pipo, 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 pipo. Shut up. Ay, bakit random? Kasi emergency pa na.
Apo ni Kalamay.
Tita, si tita.
Sino ba si Kalamay?
Ay,
Mag-seatbelt kayo.
kaya ba, coach? Tutut. Oh my God.
Here you go.
Wow, thanks, Primo. Button.
Damn, bro!
You wanna bite?
I'm gonna save the other two. You get rain bought for me yesterday.
Okay, 60.
Papaloadan ka na nga.
ASMR.
Hindi naman crunchy. May naglalaro ng dress to impress.
Kaya nga eh. Yung Micaela na isa kasi Marija.
Oh my God, please! Pwede humingi.
Sweet and salty. Can I put this in fries first? I'm gonna chat my mom. Now we're gonna go. We're going to Tanghalang Pasigen. Ano?
Give me that!
One more over there.
Give me that! Give me that!
Watch her concert at July 20 at the Marian Auditorium. Wait. Yeah, why are you promoting? Oh my god! Hindi ka na! A dog with a spoon. Say hi to the vlog. puppy. It's like
I smell like that taste cake.
girl that hurt directly. So bad.
Makuha pa para di malapit. Gusto mo iwan ko? Gusto mo iwan ko?
Natatay ako.
Love you.
Phone ko mismo.
Delete that! Bungad na bungad talaga to si Althea.
Hindi ako na malaglag.
I was caught off guard.
Delete mo yan.
Si Jan, si Jan.
Hindi ko
We, Alexa, we.
Ito yung isda. Yung papakita sa akin. Look at her knee. It looks like a Roblox thing. Alam mo yun?
What even is that?
Sabi mo ano birthday? Ay, birthday! Ayawan mo yan! Ay, birthday! Picture! I hate you. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Yo, you ready?
Yeah, we ready.
Go.
Okay na. Who beep? Done! Hello?
Can you guys talk again?
Ang masasabi ko, Mavi. That's it. Naiyak ako sa ending and sa hindi sa compilation parang may isa pa na sobrang nawawa ko. Oh no, it was Icon. Literally, Mavi, hands down, I'm all yours. Hands down, tied up.
Ayan, ulitin nyo.
You who beep 9, heart is done, heart is full. I just know Ate Heart is so happy. Sobrang ganda. As in, yung mega crew guys, GG. Inyo na. Pangatlo nyo na, inyo na. Like legit. Congrats sa lahat ng division. Looking forward na makita kayo sa US. Omsim.
I think nasabi na niya lahat. See you na lang sa Arizona.
Bye. Nyo, bye.
Yes.
Sana na-pick up lahat. Congrats, you beep! Ito try.
Anong masasabi ko talaga ako sa bulan? Balita ko. Galing daw yan sa...
Alias ko kay alias happy.
Anong last name mo? Happy ka? Shy ka?
Oh my God, paano kung happy yung apelido mo?
Tapos
Jan
last name.
Happy. Tapos nakita ka mo sad. Uy, bakit ka sad? Di ba si Happy ka? Jan Happy.
Papalit yung tao. Ay, sorry. Ikaw na lang.
Come on. Boredom.
Pero hindi niya kaya yung ano. Ano yung hindi mo kaya na?
Ganun pa ako dati.
Baby ready. Go. Ay, actually, mag-video na kami nila Sai.
Okay, game! What's up? What's up? Ha? What's up? What's up? Waiting! Bakit pare-pareho? Bakit pare-pareho? Kinex.
Pangit ko ngayon.
Mirror!
Grabe.
Hindi na ako nakikinig sa inyo. Ano mas maganda, ganito or likod?
Ay, patingin ng likod. Tinatanong niya kung ano daw mas maganda. I think okay to. Or okay yung kanina. Gusto ko side. Side daw, side.
Mas side.
Toto! Yan, o ganyan. Okay. Bye! Anyways, hi guys. Update! Speak into the mic if you wish to speak. Update.
I'm like pissed.
4:27.
I'm pissed. Siguro sa lahat. Kulang-kulang yung
Fuck
order. Hindi
food
dumating
panda.
yung famous bowl ko.
Katipunan, diba?
It's
Yeah,
blue
it's
and
blue.
it's really blue. Katipunan KFC, we are suing you. Brownie, I think brownie ko, yung nakain mo.
That was mine. I bought a
Well,
brownie.
too bad. Okay. First of all, my brownie. Where is
Just
it?
give it to me already. I don't even have a meal. Yeah, your sandwich.
Yeah,
That
thank
was
you,
your
thank you,
protein.
thank you,
My
thank you.
protein didn't come.
You had a dessert.
Yeah, I know. Just give it to me.
I hate you.
She's the only literally one person got her order complete.
I didn't get my mashed
Oh yeah. So you
No
got-
mashed
was your
potatoes.
order complete? No. Oh, she's the lucky one.
She's the lucky one.
Dati nga nag-order kami sa
Oh yeah, when we ordered sa
Red
Jollibee.
Axel.
Nung nag-order tayo sa Jollibee, oh my god. What did we buy nun? Your nuggets. Her nuggets were missing.
Masarap ba yung Jollibee nuggets?
They're okay. Guys, mas masarap yung Burger King nuggets.
Really? Oh yeah.
And the hash
Yeah,
bites.
yeah, yeah.
The cheese bites suck.
Is that a performer?
A coach ng isang team.
Hey, no, siguro mo. No, loiter.
Wala yung pupuntang kotse nila. Ito naman eh.
Onting sa labas
Ito naman, onting lakad lang sa... Magsa-spotting ako.
Bro, just like...
So,
buttered
medyo
me
may
or
mga pamilya nang dumadating.
something. I think that's about it, guys. What's your update?
Yummy.
Okay, get a taxi, paparating. Taxi.
Can you guys give me a song? Hey, song!
Oh, yeah.
Give me a song, though.
Uy, sayang yung mashed potatoes!
Kay Gabi nga yan, tsaka kay Kyle.
Oh my gosh, look at them. They're so
Wala
cute.
sabihin kailan na hindi na dila yung order nila. Kasi
Okay.
naman sila
Aww.
I'm gonna pay you already.
Wait.
Give it to Cheska na. Do you still want it? What? The mashed potato.
Hey, give me a song.
Alam mo, I'm
Why
so sorry.
can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor?
Feel obligated.
I'm
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, why can't you hold me?
Can you cut the audio?
Can you cut that, whatever that is? Cut it.
Primo will do the help center.
Do I have the ASMR voice,
Anong help
guys?
center?
4:30. It's game time.
Para mabalik yung...
It's game time, y'all.
Guys, I kinda
4:30.
need a poop.
Okay, stop to the camera. Bye, see you later.
Bye!
Let's go po, Adrika. Let's go. Hey, vlog. Oh my gosh, share ka lang. Wait, so do we... Shut up. I think we... Nagbo-vlog. Kat! Nagbo-vlog ako sa bahay, pero walang camera. Like, I just talked to myself in the mirror. I'm like, so wala kaming Wi-Fi today, so I think I'll hit a workout. And because when there's no Wi-Fi, a little, like, very colonial in me.
Colonial?
It's like the past 800 BC. Oh my god.
My ancestors
finally. Yeah, and like I suddenly want to cook out of like.
Kahapon, di ba? Kahapon, di ba walang training? Nalinis ko yung...
Alala, tapos siri. So yung man siya sasakay pa uwi, pero sa akin naman siya uuwi. Ang pangit mo. Uwi, ano na? Sa akin siya sasakay. Oh! Mga kabataan talaga ngayon. What the fuck?
Yan, dinaan sa Deep Boys.
Hindi ka umalis ng Mindoro. Kasama mo pa rin yung pamilya mo.
Ang baba ng boss niya, parang
Kaibigan ka nila.
pag ako na... Mga kaibigan.
Hindi mo pinagdaanan lahat.
I don't know how I'm gonna edit this clip. It's so crazy.
May magdo-double alpha sa gilid. Nag-English na!
Makalimutan mo rin yun.
Parang ako rin nababasa.
It's alright, it's alright.
Parang ako yung nababasa. Buti ba yung mahal eh?
Believe din ako talaga sa mga na actor na hindi talaga, na parang kahit my seat. Gawin natin! One more step. One more step. One more step to greatness. One more step. One more step. Hindi. Sasayaw na lang tayo. I-edit na lang natin. Go. Guys, I'm gonna hang.
The monkey.
No, don't catch her. No, she's falling. Hooray!
Teka, dadagdag ako para marami kang sasabihan.
Check ka wala. Hindi masakit.
Para marami kang sasabihan.
Oh, you choose that good one.
I'm gonna use my...
Okay, you like it.
You do it with us.
Bruh.
1, 2, 3, go. Butterfly, butterfly.
Wow!
Rainy season prep just got easier. Enjoy 20% off on select Midwest gas and diesel cans until August 31. Ensure you're ready for anything. Shop now and save. Sa kwarto mo?
Hindi pa pagkananal ako na ganyan. Hindi sa purpose na. Ayoko na pumasok sa kwarto. What if nagmamadali ako, may kailangan ako habulin? Shit, wait na lang. Ito siya. Digital dollar. 40,000, tapos yung bahay mo 1K lang. Mas mahal pa yung padlock.